Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing a new notification appliance to my fire alarm collection. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start by opening the box. Always be careful with opening boxes. Always remember to cut away from yourself. Alright, just going to try and cut through all this tape here. Alright, I'm just going to put the knife off to the side. Alright, see they nicely bubble wrapped it here. Alright, and I'm just going to throw this box off to the side because obviously we don't need it. You're going to see it says a Wheelock Exceeder wall. So obviously it says fire on it, but this is actually not going to be a fire alarm. I need to open it up. Like I said, this is brand new. And whoa. I have purchased a brand new Agent fire alarm. Okay, so we'll just take a little quick in-depth look at it. So obviously it does say Agent on the side. So technically this could be considered a fire alarm, but the reason I'm not calling it a fire alarm was because obviously it doesn't say the word fire on the side of it. And I kind of technically would, call this a mass notification alarm because yes, it does have a blue strobe, which is pretty unique, which is pretty cool. So this is a remote strobe. It does have adjustable candela, as you can tell there. All right, and on the back, you have a candela selector, which would be right here. And then you have the volume button, but obviously that doesn't apply because this is only a remote strobe. Okay, and then you can actually see the model number. So the model number of this device will be STW-ALB Wheelock Exceeder. We open up the box. Further, gonna throw it off to the side. You got some instructions, and then you got some mounting hardware, and then this is the bracket that you use to actually mount it on the wall. So this is pretty cool. Okay, so just as a comparison, here's my other Wheelock Exceeder that I already have. This is a fire alarm remote strobe, and same as this one, just the only difference is this one says fire on the side, or this one doesn't say fire on the side, it says it on the front, but it is a fire alarm strictly, and then this one says Agent, on the side. So pretty cool. And this is also a remote strobe. I also have a horn strobe, one of these, but it's still pretty cool. Now you're probably wondering why the heck would I get a blue one? Well, you'll just have to wait and see because I'll actually be doing a special video featuring this alarm, all right? So I'm not going to be exactly testing it in this video per se, but there will be an upcoming video which I will feature this device, so stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.